In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect brokers in Tradingview. Firstly, let's make sure we're starting on the right page. When you're on the Tradingview platform, you want to find your way to the chart section. This is really the heart of Tradingview, where you get to visualize and analyze market data. Head over to tradingview.com and log into your account. Once there, hit the Chart tab located towards the upper portion of your screen. This is going to display your default or selected chart, showcasing all the relevant market data you've chosen to keep an eye on. After you're comfortably set up on your chart page, the next step involves bringing up the trading panel, which is conveniently positioned right below the chart itself. Take a look down and you'll see a clickable area labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and give that a click. This section is a real game changer, opening up a suite of functionalities integral for seamless trading within the Tradingview ecosystem. Now, with the trading panel open, you'll notice several options. One of these is a link or button that says Show All Brokers. Clicking this will bring up a list of all the brokers compatible with Tradingview. This is crucial because Tradingview supports a variety of brokers, and accessing this list enables you to have a clear view of who you can potentially connect with to start trading directly from within the platform. Once you have this list in front of you, it's time to choose your desired broker. Spend a bit of time here if necessary. It's worthwhile to ensure your selection matches your trading needs and preferences. Explore your options, and when you're certain, simply click on the icon or name of the broker you wish to connect with. With your broker chosen, you will next need to establish that connection. You'll usually see an option labeled Connect after selecting your broker. Clicking this will initiate the connection process. It may prompt you to log in using your broker's account details, so ensure you have that information handy. And there you have it, you're connected. Once this setup is complete, you can trade directly through Tradingview, accessing all the benefits of live data, charting tools, and other invaluable trading functionalities right from your chosen broker's platform. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful for setting up your trading endeavors on Tradingview. Thank you for tuning in and happy trading.